ahead full. Verify course 090.
Course verified, 090, Captain.
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha.
On September 2, 2022, INS Vikrant was commissioned into the Indian Navy.
Namaste and welcome to Cochin Shipyard in. Today, I'll take you on an extraordinary journey showing exactly how we build INS Vikrant.
The journey begins with over 23,000 tons of specialized warship-grade steel arriving from Steel Authority of India and Russian suppliers.
Each plate of DMR 249A steel is specially developed to withstand extreme naval combat conditions.
Every single plate is documented with full traceability, a felony, a critical requirement for naval defense manufacturing. The storage yard holds enough steel to build an entire floating city van, organized with military precision.
Ultrasonic testing penetrates deep into each plate, more if any microscopic flaw means immediate rejection.
Tensile testing ensures every plate can withstand forces far beyond what combat conditions demand.
Spectrometry reveals the exact atomic recipe of each plate, ensuring it matches classified naval specifications.
Only after passing 17 separate tests does steel earn the right to become part of INS Vikrant.
Before any fabrication begins, every plate must be stripped of mill scale and surface imperfections.
Every mark tells fabricators exactly where this plate belongs among 874 hull blocks.
Heads up below. Bringing her down slow.
Confirmed. Coming down on grid 4.
Welcome to the nerve center of hull fabrication in Tikhang, where flat steel transforms into three-dimensional ship components.
Assembly station 4 for this.
Understood.
This is where flat steel plates learn to curve aptly, taking the shapes that will slice through ocean waves. 3,000 tons of force bend 30mm steel plate like folding paper.
It's still off by 3 millimeters on this end.
Not quite there yet. Let's make the adjustment.
This gauge slides right through here.
All right, we need to flag this section for the rework team.
Forklift 3 staged to Block 42 at Welding Bay 2. Copy that. Moving now.
Subassembly transforms individual components into building blocks ready for major block construction.
We are holding steady at 600 millimeters. Tack it down.
crane. You are clear to lower the assembly onto the SPMT. All ground personnel, stand by.
Welcome to the heart of INS Vikrant's creation, where sub-assemblies merge into massive hull blocks weighing up to 800 tons each.
Bring it up slowly, check the readout.
Still fluctuating. Hold stabilization. Okay, we are aligned.
Confirmed. Locking the position.
Alignment check is good. Send it down.
Roger that, bringing her in. Lower it slowly, watch the alignment.
Got it. Secure the chains.
Ready for the weld.
Yes, we got it.
Perfect fit, well done everyone. Well done everyone, the block is approved.
Congratulations, boss.
Pre-outfitting installs 75% of systems before blocks join, when spaces are open and accessible.
Keep the tension steady on that drum.
Securing the bundles now. Almost done here.
Okay, lower it slowly.
Watch the flange on your side.
Looks aligned here. Bring it down 50. Watch the clearance. Okay, set the chocks. Start the torque sequence now.
This cable routing doesn't match the schematic here.
Confirmed. Adding this misalignment to the punch list now. Get a shot of that location tag?
Grand block assembly combines individual blocks into megastructures, too large for any building to contain.
Adjusting course by 2 millimeters. Confirming clearance on the port side now. We need adjustment on the x-axis, currently at 0.25.
Initiating sequence now. We're at 0.01 and we are aligned.
Confirmed aligned. Excellent work.
Look here, definite lack of fusion at the root.
Okay, marking R for reject at this location.
Bring it left, easy now. Clear on this side. Looks aligned, start the pressure test.
The dry dock, where India's largest naval vessel takes final shape. 270 meters of maritime destiny.
We are level at Station 3.
Confirmed. Jack secure.
We are aligned with the ramp.
Roger that. Crane is moving into position. Stand by for lift confirmation.
All ground personnel clear the area. We are commencing the lift. Tension is steady at 800 and...
Alpha 1, slight correction, move 2 inches starboard.
Holding alignment on survey target 3, gap closing steady.
Perfect position, lower to rest. Well done, team.
Attention all teams on Block 7. Prepare for heavy lift coordination. Crane movement starting Sector Gamma. All personnel clear the alignment zone.
The scan shows a critical deviation of 12 millimeters on this seam. We need to initiate the adjustment procedure now.
Understood. I'll get the team ready.
Four American-designed gas turbines arrive, together generating 88 megawatts, enough to power a small city.
Lowering the test weight now. Watch your clearances.
Clear below. Take it up easy.
Foundation is secure. We are ready for installation.
Clearance at 5 millimeters port side.
Copy that. Lowering main hoist, very slow.
Hold position. We are aligned with the forward mounts.
Raise the outboard by 1.5 mils. Okay, that's perfect. We have alignment.
Hold at 2 meters. Check alignment visually.
Inspection complete. Ready for seating.
Start the hydraulics. We are ready to torque the coupling.
Tensioning sequence complete. Verify pitch on blade 3.
Reading confirmed. Stand by for adjustment.
Vibration levels stable at 0.05.
Roger that. Pressure holding steady at 50 psi.
Bearing temperatures nominal across the board.
Rising beside the hull, the island superstructure takes form, pinning the brain and eyes of INS Vikrant.
All stations, this is Pryfly. Radio check.
Loud and clear. Signal solid.
Console secured. Power systems green. Engineering, report status on power conduit 5.
Conduit secure, main systems online. We have full tactical display.
Look at the size of that thing. It's barely clearing the lines.
All teams, maintain current vector. Power lines are clear overhead.
Bring it down slowly, easy now. Aligning starboard side. Confirmed connection. Yes, we did it. Well done.
The flight deck mounts van, 262 meters of armored runway that will launch India's MiG-29K fighters into combat.
Initiating centerline sequence test. Stand clear of the strobes.
Roger. Moving to the safe zone.
Clear on the center line, measurement at 400.
Roger that. Stun signal is secured.
Combat systems integration connects 47 major systems into one fighting unit. The transformation from ship to warship.
Satellite link acquisition confirmed. Encryption protocols engaging.
Tactical data stream is stable. All green on the antenna array.
Diagnostic sequence complete. All parameters nominal.
Integration verified. Module secure.
We have confirmed locks on the surface targets.
Acknowledged. Deploying countermeasures now. Ensure air cover is stable.
Bridge, route computation active. Confirming link status.
Link established. Target tracking locked. Systems go. Successful integration.
Before final painting, every square meter of the 15,000 square meter hull surface must be perfectly prepared.
All right, teams, ensure full coverage on the bow section. Verify color consistency.
Copy that, Supervisor. Color verified. Moving up.
Well done, everyone.
It looks magnificent.
The inspection is complete. The coating meets all specifications. The ship is ready for flooding. After 17 years of construction, the moment of truth approaches. Will she float true?
Are we clear? Yes, confirmed flotation. The ballast is stable.
Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, Dravid.
All ahead full. Verify course 090.
Course verified, 090, Captain.
Propulsion reports flank speed achieved. Sustain 28.5 knots.
Outstanding work, gentlemen. Well above requirement.
Clear the deck, clear the foul line. Chocks in, release the tension.
Move the aircraft to spot 3.
On September 2, 2022, INS Vikrant was commissioned into the Indian Navy.
And that's how INS Vikrant is made. From raw steel plates to India's most powerful warship, made in India,